This one's sweet. I think it's over. We need to let's make it thank you. Yes, sir. Okay, we want to ask you a question. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
This is IGBO TV. We are live and direct in IGBANKE. And can you quickly give us in summary what is actually happening live and direct from IGBANKE?
Now, as you can see the crowd,
yes,
the people of IGBANKE have agreed to identify themselves as a Igbo people.
Yeah.
I want to join our kings, our brothers in Anioma, Agbo, Umunede, the Igbo speaking part of Delta State.
Okay.
So we are here to state the fact that we are not Bini people. That IGBANKE is not Bini. We are Igbo, we are Igbo.
So for how long have you people, because we heard that Oba Benin issued a suspension to your kings in IGBANKE. How well did you people accept it? Or did you actually rejected it?
The point is that our kings in IGBANKE are not appointed by the Oba.
Okay.
Our kingship in IGBANKE is hereditary. It has been passed from our forefathers. So it's not none of our king in IGBANKE is an appointee of the Oba of Benin.
Okay.
So the Oba has no right whatsoever to remove any or to appoint any king in IGBANKE.
Okay, what is your message to the state governor of Edo State in regard to what is happening now?
Our message is that the governor should recognize and identify with us in our cause of freedom. We have been subjugated by the Benin. We have been maligned. But now we have come to the point where we can no more swallow the insult of the subjugation. So we want to stand on our own as IGBANKE people because we have no relationship with the Benin. By language, no relationship. By culture, no relationship. But our language and culture are aligned with the Igbos. So we are more or less Igbo than Benin, and that is a fact. So the governor should recognize that fact.
Okay, now there is a call for the creation of a Anioma state, which Senator Ned Nwoko is. He has already moved the motion and it has passed first and second reading, which we know by June there will be a public hearing. What are you people expecting, people of IGBANKE? Because there is also a bill that is on the Senate floor seeking for boundary adjustment. Where did you want to fall in? If all these things go through, did the IGBANKE people want to remain with Edo State, or did you guys want to fall back with your brothers who are now going to be recognized as Anioma?
By semantics or by linguistics, you said Edo, you said Anioma. As an IGBANKE man, I don't know the meaning of Edo, but I understand the meaning of Anioma.
Okay.
Anioma is my language. Anioma means good land.
Okay.
But in IGBANKE, we don't know the meaning of Edo.
Okay.
So it is a natural phenomenon. Okay. We know where we belong.
All right.
We know where we belong.
All right.
By language, by culture, like I told, even by every form of, even our way of dressing.
Okay, we are using this medium.
We are more or less Igbos.
We are using this medium to add our voice to what they calling the Senate President, calling the Deputy Senate President, the Speaker of National Assembly and Deputy Speaker. We are also using this medium to call on the representative from this area local governments to actually look into the plight of Ndi IGBANKE, because what is happening today is that they want a total freedom from this modern day slavery, and our call is that to make sure that IGBANKE are well represented. And today, the call for Anioma State creation, IGBANKE people are saying they want to be part and parcel of that Anioma State creation. They want to go back to a place where they belong, a place where recognition can be given to them, a place where an equality, a balanced equation can as well be seen. So we are still calling on the person of Senator Ned Nwoko to actually speak more on the plight of IGBANKE people. Do you have anything to say to him?
The point is that apart from what we are doing today, there have been underground work.
Okay.
People have been doing some underground work to align with our brothers in
Anioma,
so to say.
Okay.
So what we are seeing today is just a manifestation of what have been done underground.
Okay.
What have been done in the past.
Okay.
So we are saying that we want to join our brothers to eat on the same plate. We don't want to be subjugated.
Okay.
We don't want to be, because like our politicians, politicians are not all that truthful. When they go for political meeting in Benin, the Benin people will be speaking Benin language, and our people are alienated. But when they come, they will not tell you because of their selfish interest.
Okay.
Because they are selfish political interest. But the facts are obvious. The facts are obvious. So with what the Oba of Benin have done, or what he has said, that he want to turn our case to a new day, that is a testament that the time has come for freedom.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.